flip it like that. Look at that perfection right there. Hello everyone and welcome. Today I want to show you the best accessory grill you can buy on the market right now. It's called the GrillGrates, as you can see right here. I have those on my other grills, so GrillGrates decided to send me this for my new grill. And I'm gonna show you in today's video how this works and what it does. And I guarantee you this is next level cooking. It's gonna bump up your skills next level. So let's get started. As you can see, it comes in 3 pieces like that. They all stick together. It's like this, nice and easy. And this one too. And also you can reverse it like this and have a flat surface. On this flat surface you can do bacon, smashed burgers, vegetables, sausage, whatever you want, eggs. And on this side you as well you can cook whatever you want, and also get some nice sear mark on your food. Let me see if I can show you like this. It shows in here. You can do bacon and stuff, and then on this side you can get nice sear marks. This is very useful, especially when you do burgers or fatty meats. It's gonna keep all the flames away and just gonna have a nice hot surface over here. It also comes with this spatula right here that fits right in, just like that, so you can rotate your meat and your food. All right, okay, let's get the fire ready, season this, and we're gonna do some steak with vegetables. All right. Alright, what I have here is my Weber 70 years anniversary edition. Very nice, beautiful grill. I'm gonna use the fire chimney starter right here with the lamp charcoal, like that. We're gonna wait for the fire to get ready, spread all the coals nice and even, put the grates on, and come up to temperature, and then we start grilling. Alright. Alright, what I forgot to mention is that they make those grill grates for most of the grills. I'm gonna put the website in my description, and just check it over there. And they make this for almost any grill in the market right now. And also they make a bunch of tools and cleaning tools for it as well. As you can see right there, it's perfectly in. Alright, be right back with the updates. Alright, while the fire is getting ready, this is my meal for today. Just me and my wife, of course. I got a ribeye steak, asparagus, mushrooms, potatoes, and some zucchini. All I do, if you watch my other videos, I just have salt and pepper. That's all I use, just like that. A little bit of salt everywhere. It's kind of windy today, but it's all good. It's Saturday and it's very hot outside. Alright, and also some little pepper. Fresh grounded pepper, nice and even, right there. Alrighty. Alright, that's how everything looks after the seasoning. You don't need too much seasoning, just a little bit salt, pepper, or your preferred spices. Alrighty. Alright, the fire is ready. I'm gonna put it nice and easy, just like that. It's very hot. That's how the grill grates look on the grill. I forgot to mention that the grates go on top of your existing grates, just like that. We're gonna let this heat up, and then we're gonna season it with the onion. It's like 350 already degrees. It's good. It's getting there nice and easy. already changing the color. That's pretty good. Gonna do a light coat. It's very slippery. I like it. It's good. Alright, I got this somewhat seasoned, and the grate temperature right now is 600 plus degrees. I'm gonna put the steak on just like that. Oof, you hear that? I'm gonna press it down a little bit. I'm gonna do 2 minutes this side and rotate 45 degrees for 2 minutes. Then we flip it around, and we should get some nice diamond-shaped sear marks. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, about 2 minutes on that angle. I'm gonna switch the angle. Nice. Just like that. As you can see, no flare-ups, nothing, just straight heat. Alright, 4 minutes total time on this side. I'm gonna flip it like that. Look at that perfection right there. Perfection. Look at those sear marks, they're just perfect. And it's very easy with this GrillGrates. It's absolutely very easy. Just gotta put a nice heat and that's it. Look at that perfect diamond shape. Alright, it's time to rotate this 45 degrees as well. Let's see. Try to get it. This separate accessory is very useful, as you can see. I'm gonna just put it right there. Look at that. Sounds. Alright, 2 more minutes there, and then we're gonna check see the internal temperature. I'm aiming for 135 degrees. That's for medium rare. Alright. Meanwhile, I put all the vegetables as well. Alright, let's check. I got this fast temperature probe right here. Let's see. 135, that's it. 133, 127. It's pretty much even. It's around 130, so I'm gonna keep it there for 30 more seconds, and we're gonna take it off. Alright. Alright, time to take the steak off. Let's see if I can manage just like that. Then right there. Perfect. Well, I'm just gonna finish cooking those while this is resting for 10-15 minutes. Then we're gonna slice it through and see what we got. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, it's been around 10-15 minutes since I took the steak off the grill. Let's take a look. Right there. That's a sharp knife. Alrighty. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect medium rarish, I guess. Look at this. We got nice sear marks everywhere. Bam, vegetables looking super good as well. Let me see if I can focus more on the vegetables right there. Alright. GrillGrates, very good. So if you want to buy those, I'm gonna put the link in the description. And alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, that's how the grates look like after the first cook. I guess seasoning is getting there, looks very good. Non-stick and no flames at all, just heat. Perfect. Alright, I'll see you on the next one.